Have you seen any of these works of art? What art style is it? These pictures are of the world-famous Russian avant-garde style. The Russian avant-garde was one of the trends of modernism in Russia in 1900s-1930s. Its most fruitful period is considered to be from 1914 to 1922. The avant-garde embraced all spheres of art: painting, graphics, sculpture, architecture, literature, music, cinema, and others. The main representatives of the Russian avant-garde in painting were Varvara Stepanova, Pyotr Konchalovsky, Alexander Rodchenko, Natalia Goncharova, Kazimir Malevich, Vasily Kandinsky. The avant-garde became a real artistic tornado. It captured both young and mature artists of the early 20th century. The stories of their lives were both bright flashes and long creative paths, success stories and tragedies. The age of the avant-garde was the time of ambitious people. Many became the founders of new trends and styles in painting, like cubism, futurism, or suprematism. Artists united in groups and societies organized avant-garde exhibitions in Russia and abroad. They also formulated artistic principles in the so-called manifestos. Since the beginning of the 1930s, their art was declared alien to socialist society. The great works of art, today considered Russian avant-garde, by 1936 disappeared from the museums. But in the mid-60s, interest in the avant-garde arose again. Gradually, alogism, cubism, futurism, suprematism, constructivism, analytical art of Filonov school, and organic movement of Matushin school were recognized as stages in the same artistic process. Today, these artistic trends are defined as the Russian avant-garde.